we will read a story from the Tales of Tenali Raman. This is again a story about Tenali Raman's wittiness and also his way of handling any tricky situation. There was a gang of thieves in the Vijayanagar kingdom, and the work of this gang of thieves was to find out a rich man in the kingdom and then loot or rob that person, rob the wealth of that person and get away with it. Krishna Devaraya and his ministers, they had tried a lot to capture this gang of thieves, but they were very clever. They would hide in such a way, or it was very difficult for the king or his ministers to capture them. And these thieves, they were observing. Their work was to observe the rich men in the kingdom and then rob them or loot their house. So with that purpose, the thieves were watching or observing Tenali Raman. Why Tenali Raman? Because he was a favorite minister of the king of Vijayanagar, that is, he was the favorite minister of King Krishna Devaraya. He used to get a lot of rewards, and along with that, he used to get also a lot of gifts from the king. So the thieves thought that Tenali Raman was very rich, so their next target was to loot the house of Tenali Raman. And with this purpose, they started making a plan. But actually, Tenali Raman was not so wealthy as the thieves had thought him to be, because whatever presents or whatever gifts he got from the king, whatever rewards he used to get, he used to donate that. He used to give those gifts or presents to the needy and the poor people. He didn't keep all those things with him. So, he was not wealthy, or he had not been able to gather too much of wealth. He was not as wealthy as the thieves thought him to be, because he never kept those presents with him. He used to give them to them or distribute them among the needy and the poor people. But the thieves thought that he was a minister. Moreover, he was the favorite minister of the king, so he must be having a lot of wealth. So, they made a plan to rob his house, Tenali Raman's house. And with that intention, one night they arrived at Tenali Raman's house. Now, what they did, the thieves came and they hid behind the bushes, behind the house in the bushes. There was a garden behind the house, and there in the bushes, they hid themselves. Actually, they were waiting for the time when everyone would fall asleep. Then they would enter the house and take away whatever wealth he had. But unfortunately, Tenali Raman was there in the veranda, he was there in the balcony, and he had seen the thieves enter his house. The moment he saw the thieves entering his house, he knew that what was their intention, because everyone in the Vijayanagar kingdom, they knew about this gang of thieves and they knew what their aim was. So at night, when he saw some people hiding in the bushes, he came to know what was their plan or what was their idea, because they were not guests to the house, because if they were the guests, then they would have knocked at the door and they would have entered. But without letting anyone know, these people, they had entered his house and they were hiding. And Tenali Raman, being a very intelligent person, he came to know about it, and he also knew how to handle this kind of situations. So what he did, he came down from the veranda, he came down to the dining hall. He stood near the window and spoke loudly to his wife. "Dear wife, today I heard in the court that there are thieves roaming in our city and are going to rob houses at midnight. So be alert. Put all your money and valuables in this big trunk." Now Tenali Raman, what he did, he came down to the dining hall, he stood near the window and started speaking loudly. And he was saying, started speaking loudly to his wife, and he was saying that today I have heard in the court that there are thieves in the city and they are planning to rob the houses at midnight. So be very careful about it. Stay alert, be alert, and put whatever valuable things you have, you put it in this big trunk. And he said everything very loudly. "I have this great idea so as to keep our wealth safe. I also know of a secret place where we can hide our money." And at the same time, he said that you put everything inside the big trunk, and I know how to keep this. I have an idea how to keep our wealth safe. I also know of a secret place. He also said that I know about a secret place where we can keep our money safe, where the thieves will not be able to find it. Now he said all these things loudly. Why he said these things loudly? Probably he wanted the thieves to hear about it. So he said everything very loudly. He also said that he had lot of wealth. He would keep the wealth in the trunk, and he knew about a place where he could keep all his money safe. His wife asked where. His wife asked him that where you will keep the money. He said, don't ask, just come with me. He filled the big trunk with big stones. Then they both went out, dragging the heavy trunk behind them, and took it to the big well behind the house. Then they pushed the trunk into the water with a big splash and went inside the house. So what happened? His wife then asked him where you will keep those valuable things, where you will keep our money. And he told his wife that don't ask any more questions, so just come with me. Saying this, they left the dining hall and they went to another part of the house. What they did, when they were going out, they dragging the heavy trunk behind them and took it. He filled the big trunk with big stones. So what he did, he said that you don't ask any more questions, you come with me, and both of them, they went out of the dining hall. Now what Tenali Raman did, he filled that big trunk with big stones, and then they started dragging the heavy trunk because the trunk had become heavy by now. Lots of stones were there. So both Tenali Raman and his wife, they dragged the stones outside that heavy trunk behind them and took it to the big well behind the house. Behind the house there was a well. He took the trunk to the well, and then he pushed the trunk into the water with a big splash and went inside the house. Then what he did, he took the trunk to the well and then he pushed the trunk into the water. The trunk fell with a big splash of water inside the well, and both of them went inside the house. So by now we know that what was Tenali Raman's plan. He had spoken loudly to the near the window so that the thieves, he knew where the thieves were hiding, so that they could hear him. He gave them the information that he had lot of wealth. He is going to put all the wealth in a big trunk and he is going to keep it in a safe place. This much the information he gave to the thieves. Then both he and his wife, they filled the trunk with big stones. This the thieves didn't know because they did it inside the house. They quietly filled the trunk with big stones. Then they came out of the house dragging the stone. They dragged because it had become heavy by now. They dragged the stone, the trunk filled with stones, to the well behind the house, and they pushed the trunk inside the well, and they went inside the house. So the plan, we know that the thieves had seen everything. They have heard that the trunk contained valuables, and now they also know the secret place where Tenali Raman is going to keep his money safe. And that secret place was the well, because he had pushed the trunk into the well. So for today we keep up to this much, and in the next video we will take up the remaining portion of the story. This is a very interesting story. Read the story, the portion up to the portion we have done, and then wait for the next video. We will complete, or we will do the remaining portion, or how we will come to read about how Tenali Raman caught the thieves. Thank you.